How to find Payeer master key. Now, first of all, navigate to the Recovery Hub. Now, begin by visiting the official Payeer website via this website, payeer.com. Now, beneath the login input field, locate and click the Forgot Password hyperlink. So this action will guide you seamlessly to the Forgotten Data Recovery interface. Now, after that, input virtual account credential. Now, in the recovery interface, provide the essential details associated with your account. Account identifier. This is the unique 12-digit number and numerical code tied to your Payeer profile. Now, the register email is the enter of the email address you use it during account registration. Now, the link phone number. If applicable, input the phone number attached to your account. Now, after that, initiate restoration process. So after filling in the request information, proceed by selecting the prominent blue button, label it Restore Password and Master Key. Now ensure all inputs are accurate to avoid delays in recovery. After that, inspect your inbox. So Payeer will dispatch an email to the address you provide. This correspondence will include a hyperlink for resetting your account password and your master key. Now, provided it was configured during the account's inception. So this is how to find Payeer master key. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.